We are highly blessed and empowered to achieve good through the existence of the wind, water and sand our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, uses to sustain all humans and monitors all the activities on the earth, both spiritual and physical, without error. Stop starting your day with worry, start it with divine blessings instead. You deserve joy and abundance today. Today is Monday and it's also Orie market day in Igbo land. As you step out to achieve today's benefits, you shall achieve greatness. Your day will be full of joy, I see, meaning so shall it be. You will reach your good expectations, I see. Humans will attend your good request to better your day, I see. The brightness of prosperity shall be your guardian, I see. Your voice and appearance shall destroy any bad energy against your today's blessings, I see. Your struggles to improve your life and your family will not be in vain. I see good news of your good expectation that comes with joy shall receive by the wind, water and sand that sustains all humans and monitors all the activities on the earth, both spiritual and physical, without mistake. We pray. Isi, meaning so shall it be. Be blessed from Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka wind, water and sand, the blessings of the universe, from Onye Ndu Ikuku Chineke.